Here is how you can turn off the restricted mode on your YouTube on the iPhone. Let's get started. And if you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So you essentially just unlock your device and go to the YouTube app. You probably have it and you are probably signed in. So you can tap on the bottom right button, which is for the profile. So it's going to move you over into the profile section. And in the top right, you can find the settings for your account. So just tap on the gear icon and then proceed to the general, which is right there at the top. So just click there. And as you can see right here, a couple of settings, of course, but we have the restricted mode in here as well. So we have the ability to enable it or disable it. You can read a little description about what it actually is, like if it hides some videos or if it's like, what it does. But here is where you can enable it or disable it. So let me know your thoughts and opinions below. I'm not going to make the video any longer than it needs to be. So if you like this type of content, subscribe for more. And I'm going to catch you later in the future uploads.